Nangangarap ka rin bang magkaroon ng sarili mong bahay? Sawa ka na bang mangupahan? Baka ito na ang para sa'yo. Welcome to Edisha, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan with their Yama Townhouse. For as low as 14,700 per month, pwede ka na magkaroon ng sarili mong bahay. This is open for bank and pag-ibig financing. This Yama Townhouse has a minimum lot area of 50 square meter for the inner unit. So with the inner unit, you have your carport. So every unit here with the Yama Townhouse has their own carport. Meron din po tayong mga end unit and corner unit with a minimum lot area of 75 square meter and above. Along the highway and very accessible ang ating subdivision. And alam nyo ba, meron itong complete amenities. So if you're interested, please call me on the number on your screen para ma-schedule natin ang inyong side tripping. Unlock your dream home here at Edesha, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. For only 10,000 pesos, you can reserve a unit here with your Yama Townhouse. See you!